So I had an issue with the iPhone XS. Basically, it was in common loop. All the time switch on and off up to the Apple logo. So the problem was with proximity sensor. So when I took the sensor out from the screen, you can see it here. That's the one. That's the one. That's the sensor. It started to work without any issue. So in my case, proximity sensor just go. Problem is some moisture or I don't know, water damages or something. Now it's working. I have to just change the screen. And the Face ID doesn't work now, so yeah, passcode needed.